Philippine Air Force has embarked on the acquisition of 16 Russian heavy-lift helicopters worth more than 12 billion pesos as part of its second list of Horizon 2 phase projects. This project will provide the Philippine Air Force with larger helicopters than what it currently has to fit certain combat and peacetime requirements in tactical airlift and heliborne operations. In this video, we will see the latest development of this project and see its capabilities.
To all stations with an announcement, the FASD training on solar awareness and occupational safety.
In 2020, the Notice of Award was released by the Department of National Defense. And in November of the same year, the Department of Budget and Management released the Special Allotment Release Order for the initial 15% of the contract cost. But the funding was placed on hold due to the Department of National Defense inability to finalize the deal with the Russian government due to CATSA-related issues. Because of this, a contract was not signed between the Department of National Defense and the Russian government for the project. But in May 2021, a surprise move by the Department of Budget and Management, it has again released the 15% initial funding worth almost 2 billion pesos under a new special allotment release order. But because of the COVID pandemic crisis, it was said to have been among those reverted to the Department of Budget and Management due to the government's decision to spend it for the COVID pandemic response. In February 2022, the Department of Defense Secretary confirmed that the acquisition of 16 Mi-17 helicopters from Russia is still a go, despite the ongoing war between Russia and Ukraine. It was also confirmed that the Philippine government already paid the 15% initial down payment in January 2022 to start the production of the helicopters for the Philippine Air Force. And the helicopter is scheduled to be delivered to the Philippine Air Force in 24 months, or around January 2024. This is so far the first confirmation from the Department of National Defense that the project has moved beyond an award and contract signing, since payment is only made after those processes. The Mi-17 has a maximum speed of 280 kilometers per hour and a range of 800 kilometers. This is almost double the range of the Black Hawk helicopters. It has a crew of 2 pilots and 1 engineer, and is capable of transporting 30 fully loaded troops, or 12 stretchers internally. This helicopter will be the largest in the Philippine Air Force inventory, and has a cargo capacity of up to 4,000 kg internally, or 5,000 kg in external slung. It is specifically designed for improved capabilities at high altitudes and in hot weather conditions. The survivability features of the Mi-17 include armor plating in the crew cabin, explosive-resistant foam filling in the fuel tanks, a firefighting system, and duplicated and standby hydraulic and power systems and main control circuits. With the situation Russia is currently facing and the massive sanctions it received from most major economies of the world, plus its potential requirement to build more helicopters for its use, it remains to be seen if Russia can meet its commitments to the Philippines to deliver the helicopters on time and completely as per contract conditions.